In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wells Fargo debit card to PayPal. We'll walk through this step by step so you can start using your card for online payments, subscriptions, and transfers right from your PayPal account. Before you begin, make sure you have your Wells Fargo debit card with you and that you're able to log into your PayPal account on a secure device and network. First, open your browser and go to the PayPal website, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the account summary page. This is where you can see your recent activity, your balance, and any linked banks or cards. From this dashboard, look for the option labeled Wallet. It's usually at the top of the page or in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Wallet. The Wallet section is where PayPal lets you manage all your funding sources, like bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. Since we want to add a Wells Fargo debit card, look for the button or link that says Link a Card. Click on that. This will open a form where you can enter your card details. Now, click into the field for the card number. Carefully type in the full number on the front of your Wells Fargo debit card. Take your time and double check for any typos, because a single wrong digit will cause an error or prevent PayPal from verifying the card. Next, move to the expiration date field. Enter the month and year exactly as they appear on your card. This tells PayPal that your card is valid and not expired. After that, click into the CVV field. This is the 3-digit security code on the back of your debit card. Enter those 3 numbers, again making sure they're correct. Below that, you'll see a billing address drop-down or section. Open the drop-down and select the billing address that matches the address on file with your Wells Fargo account. If the address doesn't match, the card might not be approved, so this part is important. Once all the information looks correct, click on the button that says Link Card. PayPal will process the details, and in many cases, your Wells Fargo debit card will be linked almost instantly and ready to use. If PayPal needs additional verification, just follow any on-screen prompts they provide.